to Primetime News. It's your host Lava. Today we'll be talking about news breaking, not breaking news. Man collapse and go in a coma because him find out say the house him rent for 10 years and wife I own a feed. Man shot him 4-year-old son over cheesecake. Man shot himself and run away. I know we can't find him to this day. Go give back money because she can't manage. So guys, in the fart stream.
What did he say?
We have a resident are complaining about water from 1994 and now we're in 1865. So guys, we will switch into DJ Lava to show us our resident. Thank you.
Justice, more without a water in the yard. Justice.
Thank you, Mr. Lava from the studio. So we're here in the village and we're hearing a lot about they want justice for water. So let's hear what the residents have to say, guys.
Justice, who want justice? A 3 year now, me no beard. Why they do so bad? Good God, man. Justice, you want more beard? My arms stink, my body was stink. Want justice? Hey, why they do so bad? Why? Good God, man.
So that is from the first resident. Here you got the other resident. So let's hear.
Justice, why now me more thing?
I said, wait a minute. Wait a minute.
We want justice, we don't know water. You have to sit in a bucket and a clean up a neighbor yard. We want justice. Justice, we want justice.
So you're hearing from the residents. So you have one more resident I really want to hear.
Alright, what's your man? So what about you? 30 years, you see you pray. Him use on beer, cook, and them something there. You see you pray.
So you hear it. So we have a next resident where a lot of residents are here complaining. So here we are, the next one.
Justice. We want justice a long time in a beard right now for us to reporter. Smell me on right now.
Oh my God,
We
man.
want justice. We want brush my teeth every morning and beard. We want justice. We want justice. We want justice.
So you hear from the next resident. We have a lot more to talk about.
Justice. Want justice.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
Want justice. Want justice. Want justice.
You hear from Select here.
Like I'm alone. Now she over me nearby.
Hold, wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
She over me nearby. I don't listen to me. I dog them. Want justice. Justice. Want justice.
So you hear from the residents, guys. So you hear about a lot of things going on. Oh my God, I'm about to die. They stink as hell. Oh my God. Thank you, Mr. DJ. So the next breaking news you got, we hear a lot of shot in Bushback Lane. And the residents are here talking about a lot of stuff are going on. So we're going to switch to that right now. So we're going back into the studio. Thank you, Mr. Lava. So we are here in Bushback Lane and we're in a lot of shots. We have a lot of residents are here to talk about it. So let's hear about the shooting. So we can hear that.
I'm here, on delivery, I'm here. Boom, boom.
Oh my God. So, yeah.
When I tell me, think I'm your wife, book me. Tell me, say, serious in dead, lad, serious in dead.
So we have another resident.
Yo,
So guys, you hear it from here. There's a lot of shots are going on in the video. Oh my God, we have a lot of detail here. So guys, and it's your boy Lava, we're signing out.
Later that night.
Sarge, watch me, in a shot. Of course, we shot him, Sarge. Sarge, remember me a crab shot in a Sarge. Remember Canada me come from, you know. Come too bad in a Sarge. Yo, check if in dead, Sarge. Check if in dead. You dead? Yeah, man, in dead. In dead, man, Sarge, in dead. In dead? But we have money, Sarge. What's up, man?
What up, baby? What's
Who this? What in that? Sarge, you shot him, Sarge. Jesus Christ, Sarge, we don't want to get the money. Yo, no, I'm in the police again, man. I'm done.